Hello travellers, so today I wanted to do a quick update for October, let you know what's going on with the channel, let you know why I've been a bit quiet the last few days, and I have a lot of new interesting products that I have upcoming and I'm so excited to be able to share them with you in the coming weeks. So let's get into a couple of them right now. So if you are following my Instagram, which is at packingless, you would have seen that I've shared a couple of pictures of a new microphone, and I also shared a couple of pictures of some of the upcoming products. So I will be doing a test of some of the different new microphones, and I will also be doing a test of this here, which is a new camera. So I did go ahead and buy the A7C, the Sony A7C. I will probably be doing more of a review on that a bit later because it's the smallest and lightest full frame camera with an EVF. So yeah, it's been pretty good so far. I've got a couple of new lenses that I'll be testing as well. I've got one wide angle that I hope will be good for vlogging. So if that arrives soon, I'll be doing a vlogging sort of test with that. I do still also have the Sony ZV-1, which is a really great camera for travel because of how small and light it is. And in a lot of ways, you could probably do just fine with this, or even a phone if you are traveling, but I'll get into that in a whole other video. So with the new camera, I went ahead and decided to get a Peak Design 3-liter travel sling. And I'm not sure if it's going to be quite big enough, but I will do a comparison with this and the BYOB 7, which I have. They're quite similar sized, but in some ways this is more versatile because it packs up and is about half the weight, whereas this has a few more pockets and it's a bit more comfortable, but as I said, it is a little heavier. So now I do still also have the Bluffworks packing cubes review coming up. I know I've been talking about that one a lot, but I've been busy with a couple of other things that I will mention if I can in a moment. But that is going to be coming very soon. And I'm going to be making like a best travel towel for travel because I see that question asked a lot on the One Bag subreddit. A lot of people asking which towel should I get. Often linen is suggested as one of the best, and I have this, I'm so excited for this one. I have this here, which is a really small, it's a really small, compact, 100% linen towel from Lithuania actually. It's from an Etsy, which I'll pop a link in the description. It's really nice, the quality feels really good, and I can't wait to do more of an in-depth review on this one, and I'll do a full comparison between this and the Outlier and all of the other different sort of microfiber towels that I have tried. But this is so small and compact for a linen towel, so I think it's kind of probably the best travel towel. But as I say, I will have to test it a bit more to be able to let you know in the full video. So I do still have some more electronics reviews coming up as well. So this one here is another product from Zenja. It's a 2-port USB fast charger. So it has a USB-C which delivers 65 watts and a USB power delivery USB-A port which delivers 18 watts. So this is really compact. I think it's the smallest one. It's even smaller than the other one which I did a video on as well, of the best travel adapters. So I'll definitely be doing a bit more of a test and review of that one very shortly. So also I got these, which are the Sony WH-1000XM4s. They are Sony's newest noise cancelling headphones, and they fold up and are very compact. They come with their own little bag as well, their own little case. So I will be doing a review on those because I did a review on the previous ones, and the one problem I had with the previous ones was that they didn't have multi-device support, and they didn't have a very good microphone. But this has an improved microphone and you can connect 2 devices at once. So I will be doing a review on those shortly as well. So I would just like to quickly mention as well that the Kickstarter for Western Rise's new Airloft travel jacket is still available. It's still running until the 19th, I think, until the 19th of October. So I will put a link down below to that one if you would like to support that. It looks like it's going to be a really great travel jacket, and I will be doing a review of that one probably in a couple of months when the samples become available. So that's pretty much it for the upcoming reviews. There's a couple of other things as well that I can't actually mention, so So yeah, that's very exciting, but I will definitely be posting a lot more and a lot more interesting videos within the next couple of weeks. So do be sure to subscribe if you're interested in seeing all the new content. And let me know down below which of these things sounds most interesting, or if you have any other, suggestions for products to review or videos to make. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.